Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about the way I organize my jewelry boxes. They are usually opaque, right? Like we cannot see what is inside this, and when we have a couple of these, what happens is it's always a lot of time taking, like what is inside what. So what I do is we will need some small squares. We can cut from any sheet. It can be color coded or it need not be color coded. You can go with simple white, and we will need a pen also to write on this. So I want to I got 3 of these to share with you. Like look at this one. Like I have this kind of necklace in this. Okay, so this is blue in color. So this is one, and now let me see what is inside this. See, I don't remember what is inside this. So this is what I have here. Okay, and now I don't remember what is inside this. Okay, I have the pearls. Okay, so now how do I organize these so that it's easy for me to know what is inside this without wasting my time? So what we have to do is I take like this one thing, and then with a pen I will write like how I'm going to remember this. Now if I write pearls, I can remember this necklace, this particular necklace I can remember. So I have written here, guys. So see, this is what I'm telling. See, like this I have written pearls, and what we have to do is towards the side put it like this and close it, so like this. Okay, so this is done. And for this, these are crystals, so I want to write blue crystals, and I wrote already, so I'm going to keep it here like this. See, so it is like this. So next one I put, and coming to this, like I have a couple of this. So suppose I want to, what am I going to write for this? Okay, let me say white metal. I'm going to write because it's white. So like I write there, and I will keep it like this. So I want to put it this way so that it will be aligned, and then this is it. This is how I keep in my all my necklaces. This is how I keep, guys. So whenever what happens is I want to wear something, so I can easily see which one I want, and I just take those out. And not only that, when things are so organized, we can really enjoy them. We can really enjoy our stuff. So guys, I think this is of some help. So thank you for watching my video, and have a wonderful day and stay safe, guys. These are all Halloween stuff. Sorry for the mess, just forget it. Thank you, stay safe, guys. Just want to add, like suppose if we have this kind of necklace boxes, which like this kind, which stick here and we open like this. So this is also very easy. All we have to do is just stick it in like this, something, and this is actually so cool. It doesn't slip off, nothing happens. This is always tight here. So this is it, guys. So thank you for watching again.